Hey, Ryan here, hanging out inside of BoldTrail's behavioral alerts. These are the messages that go out automatically when leads or prospects take action on your website. So a lead revisits after 14 days, lead viewed a property 3 times, and so on. And you notice here that you have the ability to edit the emails and texts that go out, and it probably is a best practice for you to do so. This way, you can make these messages sound a little more like you to begin with, and also so that you're not sending the same thing that all the other agents using the system are sending. It kind of reduces the chances that maybe the email will go to the promo tab or spam or something, because it's not the same thing that everybody else is sending. Anyway, a quick way to do this is what I wanted to share today is to just use AI. In this case, I've gone ahead and used the Copilot that's built in with Microsoft Windows. You could use Grok, you could use ChatGPT, of course, any of the AIs, Gemini, there's a ton of them out there now. And all I do is I just paste in what it says. I just say, hey, can you rewrite this to sound more casual? And you could probably even make it say, can you rewrite this to sound more like me if you're regularly using the AI? And you see here, it just spits out a version here that is slightly different, sounds a little more casual. You might say, make it sound more professional. You might say, make it do this or that, offer to do this, offer to do that, right? You could say offer, also offer to send my, first-time home buyers report, right? And then it would give you some language there. So I'll just paste this in like this. It'll keep the merge tag. I don't say cheers just because of, I just don't say cheers, right? A lot of us here in the States don't, so I'm going to get rid of that. I'll do thanks. And just to edit it lightly, great to see you back on my site. I'll dig into those. Is there anything particular you're hoping to find? Great. So I like this, looks good, and I click save. So if you can spend about 15 minutes doing this, just take each of the emails and texts and just pop that in like this. So I'll go and do it again just to show you for illustration, right? Can you rewrite this for me and also offer a hand-picked list of properties? And then I'll just paste the tab after that. Let's see what it does for me. Boom. And we will do that. It's a little long for a text, but I can just get rid of this sentence, make it a little shorter. So in about 10-15 minutes, you can go ahead and juice up your behavioral templates right here. I'll also link or put somewhere near this video in the description a further tutorial about what all these contact statuses mean and the behavioral automation toggle on the right, how this all works. Basically, you can automatically be sending these messages to certain statuses and not to other statuses that you want to. But these are definitely a very, very powerful part of BoldTrail. So if you're not already a user of BoldTrail, go ahead and click a link somewhere nearby. Go to BoldTrail.com to request a quick demo today. If you already are a user, definitely get going with rewriting your emails and texts to sound more like you and also to sound a little less like everybody else who's sending the same messages so that you get better results from the system.